music off. Yes. I want to raise you up. I want you to stand on the mountain. I want you to pass the state test so you can graduate on time. I invite you to stand on my shoulder. I have strong shoulder. I want you to be strong. So today we're going to start the lesson inequality. Ready? Inequality means not equal. Like when you are on the street, you see speed limit, right? Speed limit 35 means you can drive up to. So you're fine, you will not get the ticket when you drive 25, 30, 35. So any speed underneath 35, you are fine. So in your life, you see many inequalities. The example we just shared with you, that's one of them. So you can think of something else. That's why we need to know how to represent, how to express inequality in mathematics. Here is one example. When you see speed limit is 35 means, instead of x, I will use s, stands for speed less than or equal to 35. Then you're fine. Make sense? Okay. So let's talk about solving an inequality. For example, if you have x plus 5 is less than 10, let's say. Alright, so when you solve an inequality, it's just like solving an equation. Solving equation, basically you do isolating the variable by doing the opposite operation. So along the way, when you try to isolate the variable, you use opposite operation. Also do that in solving inequality. Now, in this case, I want to get x by itself. So I want to get rid of the 5. So x can be isolated by doing the opposite operation. So when you see positive, in order to get cancel the 5, you need to subtract. That's what it means by opposite. And don't forget, since you are treating that as an equation, so you have to do the same thing to the other side. That makes this 0, and this is 5. Since we didn't multiply or divide a negative number, so the symbol stays the same. Don't reverse it. Do not reverse it. Now, let's do some example. Okay. Example 1. Since you want to isolate x, so you do plus 5 to both sides. So that makes 15. Cross out because negative 5 plus 5 makes 0. Since we didn't do multiply or divide a negative number, so the symbol stays the same. That's how you solve. For this one, opposite operation, minus 7. So x4 minus 7 is negative 3. Again, I didn't multiply or divide a negative number, so this symbol stays the same. Okay, now how do we graph? When we graph, this is one variable, so we use a number line. You just put 0 in the middle, positive number on the right hand side, negative number on the left hand side. Okay? Then you put a circle above first. Then you have to be careful. Notice this does not have equal sign. So when you don't have equal sign, no equal sign, you keep the circle open. Don't fill it up. Don't close it. Now since x is less than 5, so anything less than 5 works. So that will be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, right? All the numbers, there are infinite many numbers behind, after, or below 5. So that means in mathematics, we use a line to represent it. Well, actually, it's a ray. That's your graph. So let's do one more example here. Okay, we graph this one. So here, so we have 0, -3, +3. So you have -3 here, right? Equal sign, so you have to close it. That's the only difference between close and open. You have equal sign, you close it to mean it -3 is included. And then less than or equal to, which means less than is below, right? -4, -5, -6, -7.5, all the way to infinity negative. And that's your graph. All right. After you understand this, you click on the next to finish the assignment as a practice. After you practice, let me know you've done it and show me your work, show me your answer. I will make sure that you understand everything. Then you will get the quiz access code to finish your quiz. Again, I would like to be the shoulder that you can stand on so you can be strong. Let's do it.